Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I achieved this perm rod set. I tried something new, so if y'all are interested in this video, please keep on watching.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
Alright guys, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I did recently record my wash day routine before this video, so head on over to my Instagram at Slim Reshae so you can check out how I did my wash day routine. It's on my IGTV, so make sure you check it out. But right now I am just detangling my hair with the Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush, and now I'm using the curl enhancing moisture butter from Carol's Daughter, and I'm using this as my styling product for the perm rod set today. Right now I'm putting it all over the section that I'm starting with, and then I'm also putting it on the first piece that I'm starting with, detangling with the Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush, and then just smoothing that product in with a bristle brush. Now here is where the method is different than my typical perm rod method. I twisted the roots because I've seen a lot of my fellow YouTuber friends do this method where they twist at the roots to get like a tighter and more flat root, I guess. And so I'm just wrapping the perm rod up the hair after I twisted at the root. So I'm just going to show you again how I did this. So after smoothing in the product, I'm twisting my hair at the root for about, I would say, 2 inches. So right about there, and then I'm just brushing out the ends, and look how shiny and smooth my curls look. And then I'm just rolling up the perm rod, and you want to make sure you're rolling the hair up the perm rod so it dries better. I will share with you towards the end like my thoughts on this process, but as you can see, this product has my hair looking nice and shiny. It was very moisturized and so like smooth. And so I'm just detangling that hair. After you twist it, you want to make sure the bottom part is detangled before you begin wrapping it around your perm rod. And this is the orange perm rods. I'm not sure the dimensions, but I will link these perm rods in the description box below. And now I'm just showing you guys, this is what my hair looked like after sitting under the hooded dryer for probably it had to be over an hour. And I took it down to test it out, and my hair was still not fully dry. So instead of taking it all out, you know, with a perm rod set, your hair needs to be fully dry. So I put it back up, and then I wind up leaving these in overnight. So I slept with these in, and then I moved forward with taking them out the next day. So now I'm taking this bread hair oil, and this is actually a black owned hair care brand that is now available in Sephora, so make sure you check it out. But they sent this hair oil to me, and it smells so good. It smells like blueberries. But I'm using this to take down the perm rods, and I had 24 perm rods in my hair. I'm gonna count them in a second, so you'll see me put up my fingers to show you how many I had. But this is how my hair looks. Boom, there's 24 perm rods in my head total, because y'all always ask. But look how shiny and smooth my hair looks. Like, my hair looked really good. I thought my hair was 100% dry, which it was, but as you can see, I'm untwisting each twist at the root, and then from there unraveling the curls to separate them. And when I was like unraveling my hair, I really didn't like the 2 different curl patterns that each curl had. So like towards the end of the curls, it was like nice and curly, as you can see here, but towards the root, it was just like non-existent curls slash it kind of looked like when your hair didn't fully dry. And again, like I said, my hair was pretty much fully dry, but just at the root, I felt like my natural curl pattern was still prevalent, but it just looked a little bit more stretched out. So I'm not sure if I really like this method per se, but there are pros to doing this method. So if you're someone who likes to pick out the roots and get you like a full afro, this is the way to do it. But as you can see, as I'm unraveling them, it's just like where those twists were, it just really elongated the root. So maybe I probably didn't need to twist down as far as I did. Probably just twisting maybe an inch, if not less, I would have been fine. So maybe that's a tip for you guys trying this method at home. Don't twist down all the way as far as I did. Maybe just twisting down about an inch just to make sure your roots are flat. But look at this shine, y'all. This shine, and my hair smells impeccable. Oh my gosh. Usually my hair doesn't like carry the smell of products, but baby, my hair smells so good and I love it. So here I am, boom, bada bop, boom, pow. I did my makeup because I know my skin is going through it. Y'all don't got to tell me that's life, okay? My skin is going through it. But anyway, I did my little makeup and I'm looking all cute, and I'm about to give y'all a little slow-mo right quick. Look at it. Y'all like it? Hey, get it, get it, get it. Hey, but you can see how like my hair looks very full, although the roots weren't like defined like the ends. It was still like a very attractive look, and I really like this. I love that I could throw it to the side and do a little side part, and then of course my edges on swim, so they hate on slim. And you gotta make sure you do all your edges, because if you get hot during the day, you gotta pull your hair up. You want to make sure your edges on swim. So that's pretty much it, y'all. Alright guys, so all in all, this method wasn't too bad. It was very hard for it to dry. I think in combination with this being a thicker cream and then my hair just being slow to dry in general with having to twist at the root, I think that's the only like thing that didn't allow this to be a perfect perm rod set. I feel like if I either still use this but did not twist the roots, my roots would have dried even more. And then the only thing with doing the twist at the root, although it keeps your roots flat, it kind of, if you look at the curls individually, like there's curl on the end from the perm rod, but then there's like this awkward space where the twist really didn't curl and or dry. So that's the only like thing about it. It did make it easier to pick at the root without like disturbing the curls on the end. So like it has a decent amount of volume for day one hair. But that's just all in all my total like thoughts on the process that I did this time, as well as the product. I'm super excited to try this out potentially with a twist out. Just because the way it smoothed my hair, I feel like this is a good product if you're one of those girls or guys who like to do twists on their hair and leave them in for like a few days before you take them out for a twist out. So maybe I'll try that out later down the line and let y'all know how that goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this natural hair tutorial. I'm contemplating doing a little wig season because football season is coming up. And I'm a little bit tired of messing in my hair. So y'all let me know in the comments if y'all would be interested in me documenting my wig season. I got this idea from African Beauty, aka my girl EC, and she just been slaying the wigs. And I feel like if I don't have to bother my hair in like a month and I could just slap on a wig every day, I'm down with it. So y'all let me know if y'all would be interested in something like that, or if you're interested in seeing me in another protective style. Like I've been seeing like these butterfly locks going around and stuff like that. If y'all are interested in maybe me doing a tutorial on that, I'll definitely try it out. So y'all let me know in the comment section below. And if you've watched thus far and you are not subscribed, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? Go ahead and subscribe down below. Join the gym squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So go ahead and subscribe down below. Like this video while you're down there and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. And without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to full. Bye guys.